Fucking shit.
You don't see any of the cracks in the paint, the gel coat on the bumper or anything like that, ones like that.